Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. So today is Christmas Eve, it's the 23rd and I'm just drinking my Oxy Shred. It is Sunday, but I thought, seeing as today it's like Corby's at work today and Hazel's at work for the morning, so excuse me, it feels like Monday anyway. So I'm gonna treat this morning as though it was Monday morning, if that makes sense, and I'm gonna go to the gym now. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have seen a picture that went up. I haven't posted it yet, but I've written the caption. Yesterday, well, yeah, yesterday, because it's going up today when I'm filming. And it's just talking about kind of like a shift in my thinking about the way that I don't know, it's hard to explain. So I've had feedback recently on my channel and stuff like that about the way that I talk about certain things. As you guys probably have seen, my YouTube's slowed down quite a bit recently. Like, I'm still doing Vlogmas, but the videos are a lot shorter. They are a lot more bland. I've just been kind of reevaluating what I want to share, how I want to share it, all of that sort of thing. So yeah, nothing's going to change on my YouTube channel. Welcome to my messy floor. I've got like my family Christmas presents in this bag, and then this is a bottle of wine that I got at school that I'm going to take for Christmas, and then I have to like go through all my activewear and put it away. So I'm wearing my Gymshark lifting tank and I kind of find it like low-key embarrassing. So these are my Gymshark Vital Seamless and I got a really cheap knockoff, like very cheap, like $10 knockoff of these on AliExpress, but I love them. They're so flattering. Yeah, I love these. And then this is the tank. This is the Gymshark lifting tank. It's such a fangirl thing to have. It says I lift therefore I am here, and then the back says Gymshark Lifting Club. Oh my god, such a OTT Gymshark fan thing to have. And then I'm wearing the Ease bra on underneath because I like having like a pop of colour through like the slits of my what are they called, muscle tees. I think it's really cute. So as you guys would have seen, I did end up doing the class. Now I did say it was like, I don't know if I think I said it was a yoga class, but I've done this at a whole bunch of different gyms. They're always got something different, but it's like yoga and Pilates and like Tai Chi-ish moves set to music. I really like it. It's really funny. I've like caught it a couple of times by accident, generally only in the holidays because I'm not normally going to the gym at like 9:30 or like 10. But oh, I love that class so much. I am not that flexible, but a lot of my flexibility I think has come from lifting weights, if that makes sense. Like through my hamstrings and through my legs, they're quite flexible now. And I was going to exercise, like do my workout afterwards, but they did quite a big like, I can't remember if I vlogged that particular one, but there was quite a big like quad and hamstring one, so they're actually a little bit sore, like body weight stuff, but you're pretty much like squatting for like 3 minutes straight. Not like a normal squat, but like a warrior squat or whatever, which is like a yoga move. Anyway, I had a really good time. So glad that I went to the gym today. I wasn't going to go. I'm going to try and go every Sunday, I think. I was thinking because normally we don't have breakfast till like 10:30 anyway, so I think I might start going every Sunday. So they're actually not as bad on as I expected, you guys, but they're not close at all. They're really thin. Probably see my entire, can you see my butt crack? You completely see through. These have like seams, which the other ones are seamless. Like, that's gonna go straight up there. I'm actually gonna try ask for a refund. I mean, it was only $10, but none of this is in the photos. Another Sunday, another breakfast sandwich. Delicious. Alright guys, so this is the current state of my everyday makeup drawer. The theory, hear me out, is supposed to be palettes at the back, brushes here, but somehow also brushes here. Eyes, lips, face, and then like liquids. And then there's just so much junk, like I can't even express to you. The 3 palettes that I have in here right now are a Tarte blush palette, which I never use, so that can go away. Got the Colourpop Double Entendre palette, and then the Shane-Exo Remix, which I use this one all the time, and this one too, so they're gonna stay. I'm just gonna kind of do like a stay pile and a go pile. I might need to get a bag, but for now that'll do. This is from last Christmas, and so is this one. Oh my goody goodness. Alright, see you later. The Dermalogica Sleep Cocoon, that can get out of there. Got a really cute pic of Corpo and I. Some lashes, let's take all of these out. A beauty blender, that's probably still okay. I don't think it's that old. Eyelash curler, no thank you. I've just taken the brushes out, and like I showed you guys the palettes. What I'm going to do is stuff I want to keep, I'm going to put here. Stuff I want to keep in my collection but put away, I'm going to put in here. And then stuff that goes up here is stuff that I'm going to donate to friends and family. Alright. It's going to look messy, but eventually we'll get there. Alright, so I've got about 1 million powders. Hula Light, I love. This powder, don't love. My Aurora Highlight from Exo Beauty. Oh, sorry, wrong place. Love. Mary Lou, I don't use that much, but I'll keep it for now. Wet n Wild, this powder sucks. I don't like it. Hula, I will keep this in my collection for when I'm fake tanned. I actually really do not like this Fenty highlight. This is Metal Moon. It actually is terrible. So I'll give that to somebody that actually wants it. I love this Jouer blush duo. I got it from makeup.co.nz. It's called Adore Me. So beautiful. I just don't use it enough. I'm going to keep it, but I'm not going to leave it in my everyday drawer. As you can see, this Milani highlighter is literally my palette. I really like it though. It is the Summer Glow in Strobe Light, so I will keep that in here. This Huda Beauty palette is pretty. Where's my face? I used to use this all the time, but I don't anymore, but I'll keep it for now. This is the Colourpop No Filter powder. I haven't really used it, but I'll keep it in here. And then this is Jouer Rose Quartz. Now this is the main drawer that I need to go through because it's all of these lip products, and I just don't need 1 million lip products. The first thing that's in here is my L'Oreal mirror that's been personalized. I need to find a better home for that. And then just like a whole bunch of lip products pretty much. So we've got lash glue, don't need. Jeffree Star Posh Spice, don't need. Christmas cookie, I love this one from Jeffree Star. It was last year Christmas. Hourglass lip treatment, I'll keep that. Oh, so this is like lips and like liquid eyeshadows. Now I'm going to keep these because I actually wear them more than you'd think. So I've got the Supernova Shadow in Constellation by Colourpop, and then the Urban Decay Liquid Moon Dust in Chemtrail. That's a glitter adhesive. This is my personalized YSL. I don't wear it all the time, so I'm going to put it away, but I do still like it. Colourpop Glossy Lip. I actually reach for that more than you think. Lip scrub I'll keep. I don't need that from Lush. This is actually old. I'm going to throw that away. Put that on the floor to throw out. I've got Brave by MAC. I don't reach for it all the time, but it is quite nice to have because it is a neutral. This MAC lip gloss, I don't know if you can see. This MAC lip gloss, my camera probably won't focus, but this is very, very old, so I'm going to have to throw that out. Jeffree Star Sagittarius Pretty, but I don't wear it. And Almond Rose by Maybelline. Yeah, I got that. Wow. I might need to go through this and give some more stuff away, but for now it can sit in there. I love this Too Faced powder. I've been using it a lot recently. I use it every day. So, oh, shiver me timbers. Jeez Louise. I definitely use this, so I'll keep that. Now this L'Oreal pomade, I like it, but I don't use it, so I'll give that away. Here's another one of those Colourpop Supernovas. I don't actually wear this one that much because it's like, geez, I keep banging stuff. Because it's gold, like a bronzy colour, so I'll get rid of that one. Well, put it into my collection, I should say. And this one is Lucky Penny, and I don't know if you guys can see the duochrome. I don't think it's really showing up on camera, but it's like a purple. I actually do wear this quite a bit, so I'm going to keep that in here. For my everyday brow products, I use the Colourpop Brow Boss and then the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I don't use the Goof Proof brow pencil. I use this Rimmel brow highlighting thing quite frequently. I'll keep him. Nude by Nature, don't use. I use my NYX Wonder Pencil, so I'll keep him in here. Don't need the Primer Potion. This is actually probably run out. I'll keep it for now. This mascara is old, see ya. This brow gel, also old, see ya. Revitalash, I want to start using that again, so I'll keep that in there. This lip gloss I don't need, I'll give that one away. And this Chi Chi brow pomade I will give away. Now onto the foundations. Now some of these are light and some of these are, oh, I think all of these are light, but I have a couple of dark ones in here, or darker ones. You can see my reflection down here. Anyway, BB cream, yes. Roller lash, yes. This powder, I feel like I just need to say goodbye to it. It's like so old, it's running out. My NARS logo is scratching off. It's the Crystal Translucent Setting Powder. I love this. I'm going to put that into my empties box to talk to you guys about. Same with this Colourpop concealer. It's dead, it's run out, that can go. Now I've got a whole bunch of samples in here. I'll pop those on the floor to chuck out. Benefit Hello Happy, I like it, but if I'm going to wear foundation, I don't even know out of these ones which one I should keep. Like, I don't need 3 foundations in here. I think I'm going to keep the Tarte one. And I might also actually keep the Hello Happy because it's the only light coverage. I love this NYX one, but I don't need it in my everyday collection. This is the Total Cover Drops. Australis Matchmaker, I love these drops, but I don't need them in my drawer. I never reach for this Lancome primer, ever. So I'm actually going to give that to friends and family. And I love this Becca product so much. It's the illuminating under eye perfector thing. Perfector, God, perfector. And then LA Girl Pro Concealer I like for when I'm tan. Alright. So I've just given my inserts a quick clean. By the way, I can't remember where these are from, if you're going to ask me. Maybe Kmart, I don't know. This one's really filthy, but I am going to wash my brushes, so I will wash this at the same time. Alright, so we're going to do liquid face, powder face, lips and eyes, or vice versa, so let's go for it. So I ended up changing the drawer a little bit, you guys. So we've got like liquids here, as in like foundations and concealers. Here we've got eyes, so like all of my eyes, eyebrow stuff. Eye brushes, face brushes here. And then in this one we've got like face products. So I've got my concealer palette from Maybelline here. And then just like a whole bunch of other face stuff. And then in this one, because this one is quite full, I probably should take out another foundation, but for now I'll leave it. I put my moisturizers and my primers in this drawer. This is kind of like the odds and ends, so I've got like a face oil, lip balm, scissors, like I just like take my miscellaneous stuff in here. So I just finished streaming, you guys. I got 2 shinies on the stream, which was really cool. So that's where I've been the past couple of hours. Hazel and I cleaned, and Corpy and Hazel should hopefully be on their way back now, because Corpy went to pick Hazel up from work. Wait, that was the wrong way. Hazel went to pick Corpy up from work because she had some stuff to do in the city, so she went to get him. And yeah, now I'm going to edit yesterday's vlog because I completely forgot, so it's like super duper late, but that's okay, better late than never. So watching RuPaul at the moment, and I'm going to have, we're having Chinese, so that's like barbecue pork fried rice and wontons, and then we're going to watch a Christmas movie after.